Good morning, Kasturians. So today we will be discussing this topic, pressure due to a liquid column, and this topic is from chapter number 10, which is mechanical properties of fluids. Okay, so let us begin with the topic, and before starting with the topic, let us first of all understand what is pressure. Okay, so pressure we already know it is normal force exerted on any substance which is at rest per unit area. So how do we define pressure? Pressure it is defined as force per unit area. Okay, force acting on any substance per unit area. Now, if let us start with the topic. The topic is pressure due to any liquid column. So now let us consider that this is any substance, or we can say this is any substance in the form of cylinder, and this substance it is put inside the liquid. See, this is let us consider it is a beaker, and in this beaker is filled with some liquid, and this is a cylinder which is placed in this liquid, and the cylinder is at equilibrium position. Okay, that means this cylinder is not means it is not moving, it is stable inside this liquid. Okay, so that means force acting on above of the surface cylinder, surface of the cylinder, and from the below side. Okay, they are balanced. Okay, so that is why is in this cylinder is in equilibrium, it is not displacing anywhere. So for that, देखो forces कैसे balance है. First of all, see this, देखो this is the force that must be acting on the cylinder in the downward direction. Okay, so due to so one force is acting in downward direction on the cylinder. Okay, and the force due to the cylinder, okay, means the weight of the cylinder is also acting. Okay, so weight की वजह से भी कुछ force होगा, so that will be force due to this mass of the cylinder will be m into g. Okay, and what is this g here? G here is acceleration due to gravity. Gravity की वजह से भी there will be some force on this object. Okay, so that force is this. Now एक force F1 will be acting in downward direction, and one force will be F2 that will be acting in the upward direction. Okay, and there must be some height of the cylinder. That height of the cylinder is taken as h. Okay, now let us consider इस ऑब्जेक्ट का, let us consider what will be mass of this object. Okay, so mass, देखो for that, देखो अभी हमें पता है what is density. Density is equals to mass per unit volume. Okay, from this formula if we try to find out mass, ठीक है, so what will be mass from here? So mass will be velocity into density. See, this will go this side, so mass will become now velocity into, oh sorry, it is volume into density. Okay, and what is volume of the cylinder? If we try to find out volume of the cylinder, volume will be, देखो if we consider A is cross sectional area of the cylinder. Okay, and h is its height. Okay, so A into h is the volume of the cylinder. Okay, jitna volume of substance or water or anything will be contained inside this cylinder, that is A into h. Okay, so that is why we have substituted V की जगह पे here AH is substituted. Okay, so mass of this liquid, mass of this cylinder, okay, oh yeah, we can say mass contained in this liquid, in this cylinder, is equals to AH into rho. Okay, now let us consider that P1 is the pressure at point this. इस वाले point पे let us consider pressure is P1, and at this point D let us consider pressure is P2. Okay, now we already know what are the forces involved. We have discussed F1 vertically downwards, F2 vertically upwards, and mg. Okay, force due to gravity, so it will be vertically downwards. So what will be balanced equation of all these forces? So it will be F1 and mg are in same direction, so it will be F1 plus mg, and F2 is in opposite direction, so minus F2, it becomes equals to 0. Okay, so, okay, let us see from here. F1 plus mg minus F2 was equals to 0, and what was F1? देखो अगर हम pressure F1 का निकालते हैं, so pressure on C side of the surface it becomes equals to F1 upon A, और area of cross section का cylinder का both the sides it will be same, so from here F1 becomes equals to P into A. तो F1 की जगह पे P into A is substituted. ठीक है, what was mass? अभी हमने पीछे देखा था what was mass. Density was equals to mass into volume. Density is equals to mass per unit volume, so mass becomes equals to density into volume. और what was the volume? देखो यहाँ से what was the volume? Density. What was the volume that came out to be? Volume की जगह पे A into H was substituted, so this will be mass. Okay, mass is equals to AH into rho, और यहाँ पे mass की value is substituted, that is AH into rho. And same way with the F2. F2 is again, what is F2? F2 here substituted is P2 into A. Okay, so from here only, if we substitute P2 here, F2, so F2 becomes P2 into A. A from all sides gets cancelled out. So what we are left with, if we take this P2 minus P1, if we rearrange this equation, or idhar it will go H rho into G. Okay, what is this? If we consider okay, this is P2. P2 is equals to, now if we take if we see what is P2, P2 becomes equals to P1 plus rho Hg. Okay, agar P2 को, let us consider this P1 is PA, that means atmospheric pressure, and what is this P2? Let us consider this P2 as P only. Okay, simple. If we are just substituting, so it becomes plus H rho G. Okay, so this becomes the pressure of the column. Now if we see, देखो अभी हमने क्या था, सिलेंडर का कुछ हाइट था h. Now if we consider this cylinder is of, means this cylinder is not having height some, it is not having any height, that means h is 0 in this case. Okay, so if we put h as 0, यहाँ पे only if we put h 0, so that means P2 minus P1 is equals to 0, that means P1 is equals to the P2, that means pressure at C side, C, this was the cylinder that we were having. Okay, this was the cylinder. Okay, this was C point, this was D point. अब क्या है यहाँ पे, this height is 0, that means height है यहाँ पे कुछ है ही नहीं, that means C and D are overlapping, that means pressure C और D point अगर overlap करें तो pressure भी दोनों पे same ही होगा. So this is what saying P1 on this surface and P2 on this surface are same. Okay, this is what it is saying, that means P1 is equals to P2 if height of the cylinder is 0. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be discussing other part in the next class.